Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we expose viral products and online scams so you don't get ripped off. Today we're talking about something that's been everywhere lately, the so-called magical charger known as HyperCharge Pro. This little device claims it can boost your phone's speed, restore battery life, and even save you from ever needing a new phone again. Sounds amazing, right? Well, what if I told you it's mostly a trap built on fake reviews, deep fakes, and marketing tricks? Let's start with what HyperCharge Pro claims to do. Ultra fast charging. Boosts performance. Restores battery health. Extends phone life. Sounds like a miracle for $40. But here's the truth. They feature logos from NBC, Fox News, USA Today. All to build credibility. But here's the catch. These outlets never covered it. It's 100% fabricated. Next up, the reviews. Scroll their page, and you'll find smiling faces and glowing 5-star testimonials. But when I reverse search the images, surprise, stock photos and AI-generated faces. Not a single real person. They even created a video of a so-called Apple engineer endorsing the product. But guess what? That guy doesn't exist. It's a deepfake. Welcome to 2025, where scams have faces that look real. Then there's this made-up term they push, smart Defrag Technology. Sounds fancy, but phones don't defrag. That's from the age of hard drives, not mobile devices. They're using buzzwords to sound impressive to non-techies. Finally, I found the same product, same shape, same specs, on wholesale sites for around $5. That's right. You're paying 8x more for a rebranded AliExpress item with a fake story. So is HyperCharge Pro legit? I think you already know the answer. It's an overpriced gadget dressed up with fake tech, AI reviews, and deep fakes. The only thing it's charging fast is your wallet. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like. It helps more people avoid these scams. And if you've actually seen the ad or bought HyperCharge Pro, let us know in the comments. Your experience can help others. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this every week. Until next time, stay smart, stay safe.